Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Jupiter Red. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB interior. Coming around back, we've got our CLA 250 4MATIC badging. A set of all-season and regular floor mats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Our media display. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. This CLA has 41,243 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.